gosh, I really gotta sneeze.
What do you need a tissue? I need some padding. Jeff.
It's over. I'm dying now.
I don't know. No.
Thank you.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Well, sorry it missed. It didn't hit Kobe.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Volcanoes by Will,
Adela.
and George.
Okay. Definition of volcanoes. They're usually a mountain or a hill,
Typically conical.
and they're a crater or vent of lava, rock, fragment, hot vapor, and gas, or being erupted from Earth's crust. Volcanoes. Cause and effect. Causes. Magma rises to the surface of the Earth, and then gas bubbles appear, and then it explodes. And effects. They affect people, weather, and landscape, and they cause lots of damage to like everything and death. Yeah, and death. So, and then VEI also stands for Volcano Explosivity Index. So VEI is the way that they measure volcanoes, and it measures the volume of the lava, how high the volcano is measured at the time of the eruption, and how often the volcano explodes. So here's a graph. I don't really understand it, but it's hard. It's like, if you think about it, you're probably thinking, oh wow, this would be really boring to study. But when you look at everything that it does, it seems a lot easier than it sounds.
There's also a little cute picture in the top left corner.
Yeah, it's
Safety tips. Cover your mouth when safety tips for when a volcano explodes. Cover your mouth and nose. Wear goggles. Keep your skin covered. Avoid heavy ashfall. Run away from mountains. How volcanoes form. First, tectonic plates rub against each other. Second, a top of a mountain will open. Third, air pressure rises beneath the crust. Fourth, boom, a volcano.
First-hand experiences. Mount Nirogong exploded in 2014 in Japan. People were running away from poisonous volcano gas. And an elderly woman said her son had said, "It exploded. I'm dying now." And then the line cut off. Stanley Williams was crawling away from an active volcano, unable to use his two broken legs. He crawls into a cave to avoid falling debris. Major volcano events. Mount Krakatoa erupted in 1903, making the biggest bang in volcano history. Mount St. Helens exploded in 1980, killing 57 people. Lake Kiva exploded in 1990 and killed thousands of people. And Mount Etna exploded several times in 2016.
awesome.
Yay!